Adolf Hitler may have been the face of Nazi Germany, but behind him stood a man who orchestrated his rise to power and controlled the minds of millions. Joseph Goebbels, the master of propaganda, deception, and manipulation. Goebbels was the true brains behind the Hitler. In this video, we expose how Goebbels shaped Nazi ideology and turned lies into a deadly reality. From the moment Goebbels joined the Nazi party in 1920s, he understood that power wasn't just taken, it was manufactured. He built Hitler's image as a savior, using mass rallies, radio broadcasts, and film to spread Nazi ideology. Every newspaper, every speech, and every slogan was carefully crafted to manipulate public opinion. Goebbels didn't just spread propaganda, he silenced opposition. In 1933, he orchestrated massive book burnings, destroyed works that challenged Nazi beliefs. The press, literature, and even art were strictly controlled to serve Hitler's agenda. Goebbels understood human psychology better than anyone in the Nazi regime. He knew how to play on people's fears, hopes, and emotions. He painted Hitler as Germany's only hope, blaming Jews, communists, and other scapegoats for the country's problems. His speeches were designed to provoke outrage and rally blind loyalty. Through films like The Eternal Jew and relentless anti Semite campaigns, Goebbels laid the foundation for one of history's greatest crimes, the Holocaust. His words dehumanized millions, making mass murder seem justified in the eyes of Nazi Germany. Even as Nazi Germany crumbled, Goebbels refused to let the truth get in the way. He spread false reports of German victories, keeping morale high and convincing the people to fight to the bitter end. His motto, if you tell a lie big enough and keep repeating it, people will eventually believe it. In Hitler's final days, Goebbels remained by his side, still spinning lies even as Berlin burned. When Hitler died, Goebbels knew that war was lost. Rather than face justice, he and his wife took their own lives after poisoning their 6 children. Goebbels' method didn't die with him. Propaganda, misinformation, and psychological manipulation are still used today. Understanding his tactics helps us recognize and resist modern day propaganda.